Microsoft Outlook Calendar helps you plan, track, and manage events with ease. In this video, we'll show you how to sync Outlook Calendar with your Android phone. Part 1. How to sync Outlook Calendar with Android via Outlock-Android app. Download and install Outlook from Google Play. Log in with your Microsoft account, and it will sync email automatically. Go to Home Settings your account Outlook, then enable Calendar Sync. Part 2. How to sync Outlook Calendar with Android phone via Settings. On Android, go to Settings General Accounts Auto Sync Accounts, and turn it on. Open Outlook Install if needed. Tap Office icon Settings your account, then toggle on Calendar Sync. Part 3. How to sync Outlook calendars with Android via Gmail. Open Outlook on your PC. Go to File, Open, and Import or Export. Select Export to a file CSV. Choose your calendar, name the file, pick a save location, then click Finish. Part 4. How to sync Outlook calendar to Android via Outlock-Android Sync. Install Outlook-Android Sync on PC and Android. Connect via USB, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth. Launch both apps, choose sync direction, set calendar folders, then start sync. Check Android calendar to confirm. Bonus: how to sync Outlook contacts with Android via Assistant for Android. The easiest way to sync Outlook contacts with Android is Mobikin Assistant for Android. It manages and backs up data like photos, videos, music, and apps, and quickly transfers Outlook contacts to your phone. Step 1. Download and install Mobikin Assistant for Android on your computer. Connect your Android phone to your computer using a USB cable and ensure that it is allowed to access data. Step 2. The program interface will pop up if the connection is successful. All files that this software can manage are displayed on the left sidebar. Choose Contacts, and this software will then automatically start to scan for all your contacts and display them. Step 3. The final process is to import the Outlook contacts to your Android device. All you need to do is select the Import button and then choose Import from Outlook. Log into your Outlook account to import Outlook contacts to your Android device.